How to change payment method on Audible. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your payment method on Audible. As you all know, Audible is an application or a website that gives you the opportunity to listen to audiobooks as many as you might want. So to change your payment method, log into the website page, move to the right side of the screen where you can see icons like your name, number of credits you have, your the option, and then your language option. To ensure you click on your name. And so once you've done that, in the drop down menu that appears, ensure you click on account details. All right, and then you will be taken to the account details page. On this page, move to the left side of the screen, scroll down and click on payments, which is located under profiles and above settings. So by clicking on payments, you'll be taken to the payments page. So on this page, you see your current payment method. Now, for me, I have not added a payment method before, but for you, you see your current payment method, the current card that you are using to make payment. So, for you to add a new card on this same page, if you've added a card before, you see the option add a new card. So, just click on the plus icon, and then this page will display there. So, enter in the card number of the new card you'd like to add, enter in the month, the year, the CVV, the full name as appears on the card, United States, your street, your zip code, then click on add payment, and then just like that, that card will be added, right? And then the next step will be for you to choose the card that you want to set as your default payment mode. So it is that simple. So this is basically how you can go about it. So if you've been wondering how you can change payment method on Audible, this is the way. So try it out. Thank you for watching and have a good day